It's a 2006 Scion TC. Affordability and fun in one package, this Scion offers all-around dexterity in power, efficiency, and safety. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: auxiliary audio input, power mirrors, manual tilting steering column, 8-way driver's seat control, air conditioning, automatic transmission, express open sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and inline 4-cylinder engine. Edmunds.com writes, "On the move, the TC feels eager to run. The big reason, literally, for the TC's puppy-like demeanor is its 2.4-liter inline 4. Untethered with a strong safety net, Scion independence backed by Toyota." They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
We're conveniently located at 3400 Highway 61 North in White Bear Lake, Minnesota.